everyone, this is Martin. Today we're gonna start this video by doing a little warm-up exercise. The goal of this exercise is to release the tensions. So I'm gonna propose you a very simple little game. If you have a balloon at home, if you have some balloons, don't hesitate to fill them with rice or with dry lentils. If you don't have such a thing, don't hesitate to bring some fabrics together or to find an object that could correspond. For me today, I found an apple at my place. You're gonna hold it in your hands and start to squeeze it. You're gonna start to squeeze and squeeze. Don't hesitate to feel and to adjust and feel what's right for you. You can adjust the timing, the speed, and the pressure. And now that's it for today. Don't hesitate to do it for several minutes because it really releases all the tension, and you will see it feels amazing because it releases everything. And now this is Deborah's turn that we're going to meet in our Berlin studio. Deborah, this is your turn.
Thank you, Martin. Hello everybody. My name is Deborah and today I'm going to play with you with origamis. Origami is a Japanese art of folding paper and creating anything you can imagine with it. So I'm gonna show you a couple of ideas to play, like this watermelon and this bear and this adorable sheep. Bah. So do you want to make one with me or three? This is what you're gonna need. You're going to need squared paper. So even if you don't have paper that are squared, you can just cut squares. Mine are quite tiny, and so my origamis are gonna be really tiny and cute. And then a pen to draw. Now let's make a bear together. You get squared paper, you turn it like that, and then you're going to fold it in the middle. And then you're going to open and turn around and do the same thing on the other side. Now we're going to turn around and we're going to fold the ear of our beautiful bear. So like this, you fold until it gets to the center here. Same thing on the other side. And then we put it outside also, like this. We fold it out, like that. And then another one, like that. And a tiny one here on the, right here at the end. You do just a tiny one like this, and on the other side too. And we're gonna do a tiny one here, just on one side of the paper. The other one, you leave it there, and then you fold it up just a little bit like this. And then we're going to turn around. And then we are going to do a tiny one again, this, and then we're going to do a big one, like here. Now we're gonna get a pen and we're gonna draw. So here is the nose of our bear. I'm going to draw a nose. And here's our cute bear. Now let's make a very cute sheep. We get our paper. We turn it around like that. And then we're gonna turn it in the middle. We're gonna fold it in the middle like that. And we open. And we turn around and we do the same thing on the other side. Now we're going to come here on the down on this part, and we're going to fold it up like that. Kind of like a little both. Now we are going to bring both of these corners to the middle. This. And the other side too. And we are going to fold this out again, like this. And to make it really cute, you're going to fold it like that, like that. Then we are going to fold both papers up like that, just a bit. And we turn around and we have a cute sheep. Yay! I'm gonna clean it here. Yay! Then we get our pen and we're gonna draw a tiny little face here. And that's a cute little sheep. And to finish, I want to show you how to make a cool watermelon. Okay, so you fold it in the middle, like this. Now we are going to open it, and we're going to turn it like that. And we are going to fold from here, from the middle to the end, just a tiny little bit like that. Like this, on all four corners of the paper. Now we turn it like that, and we are going to fold a little square here. And on the other side too. Now we are going to turn it around. We're gonna fold like this, just like that. And then we're gonna turn around, and we're gonna turn it like that. And on those two corners, we're going to fold them inside, like that. This. Like this. And now we're going to fold in the middle like this. And here I have a tiny watermelon, and it stands like that. It's very cute. And again we get our beautiful pen, and I'm gonna draw here. And there we have a cute watermelon. I hope you enjoyed playing with me and creating nice, cute origamis. Mine are so tiny. But you can make big ones also. And so please, if you make those, share it with us with the hashtag #PassTheCreation, because we would love to see what you're making. And now, as always, we go back to Martin for a very nice relaxation exercise. Thank you everybody, and see you around. Go Martin!
Thank you, Deborah. It was amazing as usual. As it is a tradition, we're going to finish by a little relaxation exercise. Today we're going to pretend that we are a turtle. A turtle who's going for a very slow and very relaxed walk. And then suddenly it starts to rain. You're going to curl up tight under your shell and stay there for 10 seconds because it feels amazing. And then the sun starts to heat again. Go outside of your shell and continue a very relaxed and slow walk. Repeat this exercise a few times and make sure that you finish by a walk so your body is fully relaxed. That's it for today. It was a pleasure to have you as usual, and I hope that you enjoyed the session. Bye!